Your gut bacteria control more than you think. Not just digestion, but your mood, your energy, your immune system, even the way your brain functions is directly influenced by your gut. Because inside your digestive system lives a complex ecosystem, trillions of bacteria constantly interacting, communicating, adapting, responding to everything you eat, working together, maintaining balance, supporting your body every second, even when you don't feel it. This system is always active, always adjusting, trying to keep everything stable inside you. But here's the problem. Your daily habits may be slowly destroying that balance. Not instantly, not all at once, but gradually, silently, every single day. Small actions, repeated consistently, creating bigger internal changes over time. And most people don't realize it until symptoms begin to appear. Bloating, discomfort, fatigue, brain fog, low energy, unstable digestion, reduced focus. And by the time you feel these, your gut is already struggling to maintain balance. Now let's break down what's really happening, step by step. Habit 1. Too much sugar. The moment sugar enters your gut, it becomes fuel, not just for your body, but for harmful bacteria. These bacteria feed aggressively, using that sugar to grow and multiply faster than beneficial bacteria can keep up. They begin spreading, expanding their population, taking over more space inside your gut, and slowly pushing out the good bacteria. Now this creates imbalance. Your gut environment begins shifting from balanced to unstable. Gas production increases. Fermentation becomes excessive. You may feel bloating, pressure, discomfort, and inflammation begins building internally, even if you don't feel it immediately. Digestion becomes less efficient. Food is not processed the same way, and your body starts reacting, in subtle ways at first. Now, habit 2, low fiber intake. Fiber is essential because it feeds beneficial bacteria, helping them survive, grow, and stay active. Fiber acts like fuel, specifically for the bacteria that support your health. But without enough fiber, these good bacteria begin to weaken. Their population slowly decreases. They lose their strength, their ability to compete, and your gut loses diversity. Now this is critical, because diversity is what keeps your system stable. Different bacteria perform different roles, and together, they create balance. Without that diversity, your gut becomes fragile, more sensitive, more reactive to food. Now digestion slows down. Nutrient absorption becomes less effective. Your body gets less from what you eat, and your system begins struggling to function properly. Now, habit 3, overusing antibiotics. Antibiotics are powerful tools. They eliminate harmful bacteria, which is sometimes necessary. But they don't stop there. They also destroy beneficial bacteria, without distinguishing between the two. Now your gut ecosystem becomes depleted, almost wiped out completely, like clearing an entire environment, leaving empty space behind. Now that space doesn't stay empty. Harmful bacteria begin to return, often faster than beneficial ones, and rebuilding that balance takes time, sometimes weeks, sometimes even longer. Now, habit 4, chronic stress. Stress doesn't just affect your mind. It travels through your entire body, directly impacting your gut through what's called the gut-brain connection. When stress hormones increase, your digestion slows down. Your gut lining becomes more sensitive, more reactive, more vulnerable, and harmful bacteria begin to thrive, Because your internal environment changes. Now your gut becomes unstable, less efficient, harder to regulate, and symptoms begin appearing more frequently. Now, habit 5, lack of sleep. Your body recovers during sleep, and your gut is no exception. During sleep, bacterial balance is regulated. Your system resets internally. Repair processes take place, and stability is restored. But without enough sleep, this recovery process becomes incomplete. Your body doesn't fully reset. Imbalance begins increasing further. Digestion weakens. Your gut becomes less efficient over time. Now, step back for a moment and really look at what's happening inside your body. These habits are not extreme. They're common, everyday behaviors, things most people do without thinking twice. Small decisions, repeated daily, and combined, they slowly break down your gut ecosystem, bit by bit, day after day, not in one moment, but over time. Now, this is only half the picture, because more habits continue damaging your system, and they are just as important.
Now let's continue. Because the damage doesn't stop there. What's happening inside your gut is not caused by just one habit, but by multiple small behaviors stacking together over time. Habit 6. Processed foods. These foods are low in nutrients, but high in artificial ingredients, preservatives, additives, flavor enhancers, substances your body was never designed to process regularly. Now, inside your gut, these compounds disrupt your microbiome. Beneficial bacteria begin struggling, while harmful bacteria gain an advantage. Your gut environment shifts, becoming less stable, more inflamed over time, and digestion becomes less efficient. Now, habit 7. Alcohol overload. Alcohol directly affects your gut lining. It irritates, weakens, and disrupts it, reducing its protective barrier. At the same time, it damages beneficial bacteria, lowering their ability to maintain balance. Now, harmful bacteria begin taking over. Your gut becomes more sensitive, more reactive, less predictable. Digestion becomes inconsistent, and discomfort appears more often. Now, habit 8. Dehydration. Water plays a critical role in digestion and bacterial balance. Without enough hydration, gut movement slows down. Food stays longer inside your system, giving harmful bacteria more opportunity to grow and multiply. Gas builds up, discomfort increases, and balance shifts further. Now, habit 9. Lack of movement. Your body is designed to move, and your gut depends on that movement. Physical activity stimulates digestion, supports circulation, and helps maintain microbial diversity. But without movement, everything slows down. Your digestion becomes less active, less efficient. Your gut becomes stagnant, more prone to imbalance. Now, habit 10. Ignoring gut signals. Your body is always communicating through symptoms, bloating, discomfort, irregular digestion. These are warning signs that something inside your gut is off. But when you ignore them, the imbalance continues growing until it becomes harder to fix. Now, step back and look at the full picture. Your gut is not failing randomly. It is responding to your daily habits. Every choice you make feeds either beneficial bacteria or harmful ones. And over time, that balance determines your health, your digestion, your energy, your immune system, even your mental clarity. Now, here's the truth. Your gut can recover. It is highly adaptable, but only if you support it properly. Not through extreme changes, but through consistent habits. Reduce sugar, increase fiber, stay hydrated, sleep properly, manage stress, move your body daily. Now imagine your system working properly again. Digestion becomes smooth, energy becomes stable, your mind feels clearer, your body feels lighter, your immune system becomes stronger. But most people ignore this until symptoms become severe, and by then, recovery becomes harder. So don't wait. Start fixing your habits now. If you want to understand what's really happening inside your body, subscribe now and take control of your health today.